Jedlersdorfer Straße. 99 and staircase 25. This one has only 14 floors, but the basement floor is locked up. Okay, 1925 and modernized in 2000, FN 8104, and the new serial number is AK 82074. Third floor. In this building, in these buildings, one elevator stops at the odd floors and other one at even floors. It's quite strange. So 825 kilograms. Ground floor. Is built by Austria and maintained by Schindler. Last time I had only time to film one staircase. It was staircase 36, and only 5 staircases have interesting elevators here. But now I wanted to film all the other ones because I haven't filmed so many tall buildings. For example, the elevators from Finland has filmed much more of them. Third floor. Ground floor. This one only has 13 floors. In 1975 and modernized in 2000, FN 8103, and the new serial number is AK 82073. Floor. 11 Peugeot 825 kilograms. It's quite rare capacity. It is it says about inspector and maintainer. Inspected by the Austria. Maintained by Schindler. 1 rod is enough with this elevator. Okay. That's